Hello students, in last class we studied what are the particle accelerators and their types. In this class we studied one of the circular accelerator, cyclotron. Okay, then what is the cyclotron? Cyclotron is a device used for accelerating ions to a high speed by repeated application of accelerating potential. The cyclotron is devised by Lorentz and Livingston. Now we study what is the construction, their principle and the working of cyclotron. Okay. First of all, we see what is the construction of cyclotron. The cyclotron consists of two flat semicircular metal boxes called Ds. Because of their shape, it looks like English letter D. These two boxes are exactly identical in shape and size. The Ds are arranged with a small gap between them. A source of ion is located at the midpoint of the gap between the Ds. The Ds are connected to the terminals of radio frequency oscillator so that high frequency alternating potential of several million cycles per second exists between the Ds, which acts as a electrode. The Ds are enclosed in an insulated metal box containing gas at low pressure. The whole apparatus is placed between the poles of strong electromagnet, which provides the magnetic field. Okay, this is the construction of cyclotron. In this, we have the two flat semicircular metal boxes called Ds. See, there is D1 and D2. D1 and D2, these are the two semicircular Ds. These are connected to the RF oscillator. Okay, in between the two Ds there is a source of ion S, and in between the two Ds there is a small gap. Okay, this is the construction of cyclotron. Understood? See, in next figure we have the Ds, two Ds. Okay, at this end, in between the two Ds there is a S source of ion, and the magnetic pole, two electromagnets are located above and below the Ds. Okay, this is the construction of cyclotron. Then what is the principle of cyclotron? We have to know the principle of cyclotron and their working. Okay, the principal action of the cyclotron is the RF oscillator is adjusted in such a way that when positively charged ion after completing semicircular path comes in the gap between the two Ds, the potential of opposite D becomes negative. Hence, the ion accelerates and describes the circular path due to the magnetic field. Okay, this is the principle of cyclotron. Now we have to study their working, how it works. Okay, the working of cyclotron is when the particle is born, its velocity is 0. When it enters in the D, its velocity becomes v. Okay, see in the diagram. When the source of ion produces a particle, it is attracted by the negative D at that moment. Suppose there is a negative and positive. D first is at negative potential and D second is at positive potential. Then it is attracted by the negative potential D1 and it has the velocity v. Okay, then it follows a semicircular path because of the magnetic field and it again comes into the gap. Okay, there is a electric field. Due to that electric field, the particle get accelerated and the polarity of the disk get changed. The positive becomes negative and the negative becomes positive, and the particle get attracted towards the disk second. Okay, then it again comes into the gap, it again get accelerated and the polarity get changed, and it again attracted towards the D1, and it follows a semicircular path of greater radius, and like that it follows continuously. Okay, after completing the periphery of the apparatus, it comes out through a small window to hit the target. This is the working of cyclotron. See in the figure, when the particle is born, its velocity is 0. When it enters in the D, its velocity becomes v, and it constant because magnetic field cannot change velocity. The oscillator will change the polarity. When it comes out of the D, it again comes under the influence of electric field. The electric field accelerates the charged particle. When it comes in D2, the D2 becomes positive and D1 becomes negative because of the changing polarity. When it comes out of the D2, it again influenced by the electric field and get accelerated. The particle get moved from D2 to D1, the velocity get increased and the particle makes greater semicircle in D. In this way, the particle move in circular path, and with each circle velocity get increase velocity get increases with increase in radius. Finally, when the particle has no more space to grow in radius, it is thrown out through a window. With such a high velocity, the particle has high energy and it hits the target. This is the working of cyclotron. Okay, understood? In this class, we study what is the construction, their principle and working of cyclotron. I hope you all get it. Thank you.